Good morning, Math 2. This is lesson 120. This morning you are going to learn how to multiply by 3. That's why I have the 3 orange pattern block squares up here. So I'm going to add 3 more. How many tiles is this all together? 6. So I have 1 group of 3 equals 3. I have 2 groups of 3. That equals 6. Now I'm all out of pattern block squares, so now I have to draw my squares. So see if you can figure out what the next one will be. I'm just going to make a rectangle and divide it into 3 pieces. Be easier for me to draw that way. So now I have 3 groups of 3. How many squares do I have altogether? 9. Okay, here's my next one. How many squares will I have now? Remember, I have 4 groups of 3. 12. We'll keep going to 9. Hopefully I have enough room on the board. So 5 groups of 3. 15. 6 groups of 3. 18. 7 groups of 3. 21. 8 groups of 3. 24. And 9 groups of 3. I think I managed to get them all on there. I hope you can see it at the bottom. Okay, 9 groups of 3 equals 27. Now remember, we can write our math problems in 2 different ways. We can write them horizontally, or we can write them vertically. It still equals the same thing. You have Master 120. Looks like this. You get that out with your pencil, please. Pause the video while you're getting it. All right, look at section 1. Fill in the products. So let's read them together and say the answers. 0 groups of 3 is 0. We'll go down. 1 group of 3, 3. 2 groups of 3, 6. 3 groups of 3, 9. 4 groups of 3, 12. 5 groups of 3, 15. 6 groups of 3, 18. I'm doing a very good job of standing in front of all the answers. Let me move over a little bit. 7 groups of 3, 21. 8 groups of 3, 24. And our last one, 9 groups of 3, 27. Okay. If you didn't finish that part yet, pause the video so that you can get caught up. All right. Section 2, we have to match the problems to the answers. You go ahead and do that on your own. Pause the video while you're working on that. I'm going to move on to section 3. You can see that one of the factors is missing, so fill in the missing factor. Remember, you can use section 1 to help you. So, how many groups of 3 equals 6? 2. You do the rest. Pause this while you're working on it, and then we're going to move to the back of the paper. All right, side B. This should look familiar. We did this last week. So this is going to be multiplication bingo. We are going to use the products for multiplying by 3. And you know what we did not have up here? We did not have 0 groups of 3. So I should have 10 answers now. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I do. But we only have 9 squares, so I'm going to do the same thing that I did last week. I'm not going to use the 0. So go ahead and fill in those numbers anywhere you would like them to go on your bingo card, and then you can practice your multiplying by 3 facts with your parents, brother or sister, aunt, uncle, cousin, grandma, grandpa, somebody who loves you. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.